Hi everyone, welcome to Illuminate Business's Career Workshop series. Today's presentation will be focused on everything you need to know about auditing. My name is Fiona and I'm the Executive Director of Events hosting these workshops. Please leave your questions to the end. Now let's get into it. So you might be asking, what exactly is auditing? Well, auditing refers to the process of examining a business's financial statements. During an auditor checks if the business's financial statements are up to date or have any errors. Now, what exactly do auditors do? First, they examine financial records, reviewing financial statements and records for accuracy and regulatory compliance. Second, they evaluate internal controls, assessing the effectiveness of an organization's internal controls to prevent fraud and ensuring reliable financial reporting. Third, they test financial transactions, conducting detailed testings of financial transactions to verify proper recording and documentation. Lastly, they prepare audit reports, compiling findings into audit reports, highlighting discrepancies, and recommending improvements to companies. By the way, there are two types of auditors: internal auditors versus external auditors. Now let's dive deeper into this. So, what are internal auditors? Well, internal auditors work for the organization they're auditing. They usually assess the organization on a long term basis, depending on their employment tenure. An internal auditor may generate reports to share with management on crucial matters, such as areas they don't follow regulations with, and the consequences of not following set regulations. Internal auditors also may evaluate the company's operations to determine whether they're efficient and suggest ways to improve productivity and mitigate risks, such as fraud or delays in completing a project. What are external auditors? External auditors usually work in public accounting firms, though some do work for private firms. They assess a company temporarily and may evaluate third party companies in various industries during their routine work. Their goal is to produce an analysis that they give to the management and other interested parties. A company can benefit from hiring external auditors because they provide an independent review of its financial records, efficiency, or other internal controls like information technology. Okay, so what type of skills do auditors have? Well, they are really good at communication. Auditors communicate with other financial experts and employees who don't have financial knowledge, so the ability to explain complex topics is a strength for an auditor. They are also good at organizing. Auditors need organizational skills to help them arrange their financial documents and meet deadlines. It also makes them seem professional to business executives and shareholders. They're also great at critical thinking. Auditors think critically when reviewing a company's records to deliver the best suggestions. They provide actionable solutions, helping businesses improve their rules and practices, making audits more efficient. They're also good at ethically judging. Auditors must overcome biases in making judgment and apply appropriate professional skepticism, which requires the strength of character to avoid shortcuts and re examine the audit if anything is missing. They're also good at analyzing. Auditing entails using analytical thinking to help you draw conclusions during the audit. Analytical skills can help you form stronger conclusions while auditing a company's processes. These skills can help you demonstrate your expertise to businesses. And lastly, they're great at paying attention to details. Auditors should be meticulous in examining financial records to ensure that they are accurate. They carefully follow the chain of audit evidence for assurance. So, how do you break into auditing? Well, here are some majors to think about if you want to pursue auditing. First up, we have accounting. Accounting study topics such as budgets, financial statements, tax law, and production costs. In accounting courses, you would learn how to explore the accounting cycle, how to prepare financial statements, create and manage budgets, and collect and document Financial evidence. You'll also interpret and analyze financial documents, use accounting to make business decisions, and prepare federal tax returns for individuals and corporations. Finance. A finance degree teaches students about financial management and analysis, including financial theories and how they apply in business. Students learn how to use mathematical concepts, statistics, and analytical tools to solve problems and make decisions. They also develop valuable job skills like communication and problem solving. Economics. Economics majors study how people, businesses, communities, and governments use resources and interact with each other. They use math, data, and statistical models to analyze social systems such as markets, corporations, and families. Economics majors also learn about economic policy, international trade, supply and demand, and consumer behavior. Business administration. When studying business administration, you'll learn theory, but also a wide variety of practical skills, including leadership, communication, analytical thinking, strategic planning, problem solving, entrepreneurship, accounting, finance, human resources, and marketing. Lastly, we have business management. Business management majors develop skills in leadership, team management, and resource deployment to maximize productivity. They also gain a broad understanding of business basics like accounting, budgeting, marketing, planning, hiring, and leadership. Next up, we have potential career paths in auditing. Internal auditors are trained professionals tasked with providing independent and objective evaluations of private company financial and operational business activities. Then we have external auditors. They are public accountants or audit firms who independently evaluate a company's financial statements and disclosure to ensure that they are accurate and free of fraudulent activity. Then we have your accountants. An accountant reviews and analyzes financial records, keeping track of a company's or individual's income, expenditures, and tax liabilities. An accountant may also be involved in project planning, cost analysis, auditing, and financial decision making. Then we have assistant auditor. They're known as audit assistants, audit associates, or assistant audit officers. They help auditors review financial records, ensure compliance, and identify discrepancies or fraud. Now we have audit manager. An audit manager manages and oversees an organization's audits from planning to completion. They are responsible for a portfolio of clients. Now we have forensic accountant. Forensic accounting is a type of accounting that investigates financial information for potential evidence of crimes. Forensic accountants use accounting, auditing, and investigative skills to understand whether a person or company has committed financial misconduct such as embezzlement or fraud. Now we have chartered financial analyst, also known as CFA. A CFA is a professional designation that demonstrates expertise in investment management and financial analysis. CFAs are often employed in large organizations where they perform in depth research and analysis to help investment companies navigate complex financial markets. And that is the end of the Auditing Career Workshop series. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments and I will try my best to answer them. Also, feel free to recommend any other careers that you want to see featured. Thank you for attending and please consider subscribing.